Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create another profile with one account on Amazon. This is incredibly useful when you're sharing an Amazon account with family members but want to keep your recommendations, shopping lists, and viewing history separate. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, log into your account with your credentials. Make sure you're fully logged in before proceeding to the next step, as you'll need access to your account settings. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with various account-related choices. From this menu, look for and click on Switch Profile. This is where Amazon houses all the profile management features for your account. Once you're in the profile section, you'll see an option that says Add Profile. Click on it to begin creating your new profile. This feature is what makes it possible to maintain multiple personalized experiences under a single Amazon account, which is particularly handy for households with different preferences and interests. You'll now be presented with a field where you need to enter the profile name. Type in whatever name you'd like to use for this profile. It could be a family member's name, a nickname, or anything that helps you identify whose profile it is. This name will appear whenever you switch between profiles, so choose something clear and recognizable. After you've entered the profile name, look for the Create button and click it. Amazon will then process your request and set up the new profile. This might take just a moment, so be patient while the system creates and configures everything for you. And that's it. You've successfully created another profile on your Amazon account. Each profile can now have its own personalized recommendations, watch history, and shopping preferences, all while using the same login credentials. This makes sharing an account much more convenient and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.